Hey, today I'm going to show you how to install a K&N filter in this 2021 Jeep Wrangler. I had removed the intake before and looked inside of it, and it looks like it's a pretty good one. It has a pretty decent inlet area for a stock air filter, so, you know, stock plastic intake. Figured I'd put a K&N in there to get it breathing better since I already did the exhaust. You can see that video, that's available as well. So now I'm going to do this K&N air filter. Let's open this up and check it out. K&N, a nice advantage, lifetime filter, which means you don't have to change it. You just take it out once in a while and clean it. And of course you got a couple stickers. K&N sticker for wherever you want to put it. And you put this under the hood to let people know, don't throw away my air filter, it's reusable. Okay, now I'll unwrap it just before I install it. But this is the dirty side of the air filter. This is the clean side. So you face the filter down, dirty side, clean side, clean side. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to do this. Now I'm going to loosen these two bolts here and this bolt here because then I can move the air filter around. If I don't loosen it, it'll be stationary and more difficult to move. So I'm going to use a 10 millimeter and remove these 10 millimeter bolts. There's one, two, three. Then I'm going to switch to an 8 millimeter and remove these screws. And have a magnet next to you because sometimes these screws will drop. So you want to put the magnet right next to it. A nice handy magnet. Keep that handy. Keep it right next to the screw so when you take them out, it'll grab them. And you don't drop any screws. See, just like that. Last time I dropped a screw, and this is how you prevent dropping screws, because the screw will just come all the way out. So you don't want to drop your screws, so you're going to put this right next to it. Okay. Really? Okay, got another one out. Two want to be a pain in the you-know-what. So okay, got one of them. That's three. One more. Last screw. Very important to use that magnet because those screws are easily dropped and you cannot find them again unless you get lucky and it lands on the ground. Alright, Next, you lift. I'm going to open the filter next because I'm getting ready to slap in the filter. Take the old original paper out, still brand new practically. Install the new K&N. This side down, clean side. Dirty side down. And you can see it's installed. Next, reverse the process. Put your air filter cover back on. Okay. Start with a screw that's easier. Reverse process. There's one. Let's go number 2. Finger tighten first. Then screw it down. Wow. These screws are not that great. They're kind of hard to tighten down. But we'll keep on going. Third screw. And fourth screw. The hardest one, which is way down there, so I'm going to use the magnet to set it down there and get it started. Okay, next the 10mm, and do those bolts, the final bolts of the installation. They go here, 1, 2, find the anchor nuts and start them with your fingers, and 3. This is all pretty simple, so. Okay, so the air filter installation is finished. So I always save the old paper filter in case I go sell the vehicle or want to put it on for some reason. But the filter's done. Let's listen to the sounds it makes now. I also did the exhaust, so you will hear how nice the exhaust sounds too.